Hello, my name is Javier Morera. I'm a student at SocraTech school, and I'm studying to become a full-stack web developer. So I'm halfway through the course, and this is my midterm project. It's a website that I built on my own using the tools that the school provided. It's a web page called Popcorn Tribe, and it's meant to be a social network where people can log in and share their movie interests, such as favorite movies and movie genre. That's what we currently have on the web page. So if you're not logged in, this is the landing page where it offers you to either log in or register. But first we're going to check out one of the things that you can do without being logged in, which is checking the movie database. This is how it looks like, and you can hit on a movie and it will take you to some of the details. You can click back to movies and it takes you to the place you were before, and yeah, you can still check that. And then if you would hit my favorite, it will redirect you to the login page, same if you would click on my profile. So before we log in, we're going to register a user. Let's register something like this. So you have the option to create secret questions. In case you forget your password, you can retrieve it this way. So yeah, let's choose a few, and then create user. If the email is already registered, you would get an error sign and the request would not go through. So you would have to pick an email that is not used. Oops. I'll copy this. So we complete the login in, Rafa123. Create user. Your account has been successfully created, so we would now log in. If we were to put an incorrect email, this, yeah, you get an incorrect message. And same if you put in an incorrect password, you would get an incorrect password sign. So we'll do it correctly this time. It was Rafa123, and it goes through to the main website. Here you can see all of your friends, and you can access their profile where you can see their genre likes and also their movie likes, Ramon's favorite movies in this case. Or you can just go through directly to their movie preferences. If you see details, you will just go to the movies. Now the movies view has an extra thing, which is this green sign. This is to add the movie to your favorite list. So let's say I want to add Back to the Future. Back to the Future was added successfully to the list of favorites. So you can see this favorite list here. So Rafa only has one, he just registered, so we can add a few more. Let's say he likes Matrix and also Forrest Gump. If he were to add a movie that he already has, he would get this error sign as well. So now that he's on my favorites, you can delete the movies from the likes as well with this button. You simply remove them. You can also add the movies from the view. You can add to favorites, and then the good, the bad, and the ugly has been added successfully. You can also choose your genres if you see your profile. So Rafa currently doesn't have any favorite genres, so we can edit them and add some. Let's say he likes action, he likes comedy, drama, western, and history. And you can also remove them by clicking on the red signs. So that way your profile is set up easily, very easily. What else can we do? We can edit the profile. Say Rafa wants to change his phone number to 123 and he will not change country. Let's say that 123, and he can also change his password. So his current password, I'm going to put it in correctly just so that we see that we get an incorrect password sign, and he can change his password if he puts in a good one to start with. Submit, password changed. You can also change your password by using the secret questions, but in that case you would not have to be logged in. So say you log out and then you want to log in, you can click on forgot your password and it'll take you to this form. You would submit your email, and if you put about one, you get a sign that the email is not registered. So let's say Rafa Champion gets in and he can change his password using the questions. This was Roger and this was a racket. So he can change it to Rafa 555. Password has been changed. And let's go back in, Rafa 555. And he's logged in. I think that's all that can be done. I will show you the database diagram just so that what we just saw makes more sense. There's a user table, there's a movie table, and it's a many-to-many relation. Therefore, it exists mid-table, which is the one that the users can modify by adding or removing movies from their favorites. So the movies are not changed. There's one record per movie in the movie table, one record per user in the user table, and there's also an access table that has the password encrypted with bcrypt. Bcrypt. Also, same thing with the genres. There's a many-to-many relation, therefore there's a mid table between movie and genre, and also between user and genre. And this is the table that the user can modify with the buttons. Okay, so yeah, I think this is it. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did enjoy making the website, and I am enjoying the course. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.